Hey guys, how to gain money from Telegram by creating a Telegram channel in your account. Follow me in this video. So first of all, you have to download Telegram from Microsoft Store. Telegram desktop. It's not web Telegram or your Telegram on your mobile, but it's in your Windows in your laptop. So you have to search to this one here and then install and then open it. After you open it, you will find here. First of all, you have to have account on the Telegram, and then put or press on these three lines and then new channel, and then name your channel. I will name it as education. Already I have this channel as a group in the Facebook and as a page in the Facebook and as a channel in YouTube. So the same. So description, educating using technology, and engineering. This is the description or the name of education. And then create link education, the same name. So this is the link, and this is public channel, so you can get money from it. Invite by a link or like this. Press, and then bring as you see. Invite all your member and then add your and then you can invite using the link from other social media in Facebook or in YouTube, and put all these links together and copy and paste them in your YouTube description, video description, or posts in Facebook or trails in Facebook. All you can do this, and then add. Then it will add these users which you added. You can now channel setting. Here, channel type public, discussion, add group. You can add group. Already I have this group. Do you want to make education engineering the discussion board for education? Yes. link group. عملت كده اللينك ربطتهم ببعض يعني. Okay, you invite links. You have administrator. You can put administrator, subscribers. Okay, and then save. So you have a channel called education. Channel education. Now you will post videos and upload videos on it, and links from YouTube, and links from WhatsApp, and links from Facebook, and you will be paid for this. There's conditions. When you complete these conditions, you will be paid. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Share the video with others and press like. You don't lose anything. Thanks for watching. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghandour.